Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to talk about another great project that I'll let you know about. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before we proceed, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press to the notifications bell. Okay guys, so today in this video we'll be talking about BNB Bro. BNB Bro is a decentralized platform to earn BNB. As you know that BNB has already worth of around 600 USDT. So if this project is letting you to earn BNB, so you should definitely get into this. So we can see here that the soft launch of the project has successfully done on 18th of March 2025. And for more updates, you can also join them on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So you should definitely join the social channels to find all the updates about the project on time. And if you want to get in touch with the team, so you can get in touch with Telegram. And here we can see that we have all the social channels, and here we are to the website of BNB Bro. Welcome to BNB Bro. Fast, simple, secure, empowering communities with blockchain driven innovation, secure smart contracts, unlimited possibilities. So we can see here that this is a fast, simple and secure and transparent project. So we can see that we are going to get BNB by joining and purchasing this platform. So you can see here that we are to the website of BNB Bro. And here we can see that welcome to BNB Bro, a revolutionary community-driven platform dedicated to security, transparency, and trust. Built on the foundation of blockchain technology, ecosystem is powered by secure and immune contract, ensuring the ecosystem decentralization and reliability. At BNB Bro, we believe in a financial impact and power of decentralized network. Their platform empowers users to participate in the transparency and ecosystem with the automatic securities promising provides the users. So we can see here that what is BNB. To start with BNB, you just need to purchase BNB from Binance.com, and then you have to connect wallet on BNBBro.live, and then you have to activate packages, and then just start with this. By these three steps, you can start with BNB Bro. You can 100% trust on the project which has 0% compromise, 100% real coin, a blockchain power ecosystem with initiate an authentic transaction, 100% secure with a tamper-proof smart contract. Users have full contract over their assets. 100% transparency. Every transaction is publicly recharged on the blockchain, ensuring full reliability and transactions. 100% multiple contract. Once deployed of the contract address will change, ensuring the visibility and scalability. So you can complete trust on the project as this is a audit proof. About DApp. BNB Bros DApp is a decentralized application designed to empower users by providing secure, transparent, and rewarding innovation. Within the blockchain ecosystem, unlike more transaction applications, BNB Bro appreciates toward the blockchain technology, ensuring the BNB Bro you can transparent for their decentralized ecosystem by empowering the future. With BNB Bros DApp, users invest trustworthy ownership, resistance, safety, and their security. And this is a tamper-proof project, so you can completely trust on the project with seamlessly transaction. The DApp system 14s over a lot of community-driven empowerment, and while DApp of the 100% level of the ecosystem. So they have smart, simple, and secure platforms, so you can completely trust on the BNB Bro.live as this is a transparent and trustworthy project. So here we can see here that some of the features are mentioned here. Why go for BNB Bro? BNB Bro is a revolutionary Web3 investment and earning opportunity. BNB Bro is a cutting-edge blockchain-powered platform designed to offer seamless transaction opportunities in the crypto space. Whether you are an active participant to power passive income towards the BNB Bro, they have for more rewards of 6 types of reward system with non-worthing rewards. There are more details of the project have there starts from 0.05 BNB only. You don't need a huge investment opportunity. You can just start with 0.05 BNB with the amount of instant withdrawal. So they have instant withdrawal as well with peer-to-peer transactions as well. So you can go through this that they have peer-to-peer transaction as well. And then some of their Web3 accelerating project too with BNB Bro is a decentralized with zero fees as well. So this is the you can get started with just dollar of what 30 and be the part of the next gem decentralized ecosystem with BNB Bro. Financial freedom just a claw off the way. Starts earning with just big rewards of the BNB. So you can just start with dollar of what $30. So you can get started with just what of $30 with BNB Bro. You just need to deposit $30 in your account. And here we have the white paper of the project. BNB Bro offers 6 packages with different income levels like 0.05 BNB to 0.01 to 1.6 BNB. And each package is unlock new earning opportunities. And here we can see that BNB Bro is, there are 6 type of income. All income have the initial types of their BNB Bro, like 0.05 BNB2 distinct level of level, the dividing level activate of income, and plus X9 matrix income. So you should definitely get activate, you can activate 4x active income and get rewards in X9 metrical income. So you can go through this, as well as you will going to find this updates about the project, why 0.4 BNB towards the ecosystem, and you can get just started with this. So you can go through this, the details about the project. You will get 40% of the personal sale for each participant personality for reward for the project, and you will get X4 activate income, get unlimited income with 20 levels in a depth of over again, and you every purchase you will get 20% of level income as well as on the platform. So here we can see that we will get to 20% to 40% income on the BNB Bro. Here we have some of the levels that mentioned here, so you can go through the levels as well. You can earn 0.5 BNB to up to 1.6 BNB up to 20 levels. So X4 activate income level are mentioned here, dividend bonus up to 20%, and there of course of this. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.